sir, you can start. Another someone, you can ask.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. So,
Natasha. Yes, Natasha.
yes, sir.
Um,
So that, sir, that I want to improve my skill, but sometimes I stuck in sentences, and I have some knowledge about it. I'm not talking about I have lots of knowledge. I have little bit knowledge about some topics, but sometimes I thought that when I start speaking, that time I start stucking also. So I want to improve my skills. So what should I have to do, sir?
Ma'am, yes, this is a big concern at initial level. Just, just focus all of you, okay? It's my request that all of you focus, know what I'm saying, okay? I'm falling short of words. I'm not able to express what I'm thinking. And if the topic is being given to you, if the topic is being given to me, I'm not able to express, and somewhat I starts with shivering, or I'm not able to maintain eye contact. I'm falling short of words. My grammar would be wrong. People will laugh at me. I would not be able to speak over there. What people think about my English, whether when I'll commit any kind of mistake, maybe grammatical mistake, or these kind of situations. Okay, this is common. Right now, I had four questions. Okay, till now I had four questions, and each and every question was aligned into that manner only. Okay, you know, forget about English. Okay, now forget about English. I'll let you know another instance. Okay, it might be possible that some of you might be having either four-wheeler or two-wheeler, or it may be even bicycle also. Okay, just remember those times when we started learning that four-wheeler or the two-wheeler itself. Okay, just remember those times when we started learning that four-wheeler. At the very first level, were we thinking that I am not able to drive on highways, I am not able to drive in a very good speed as what others are driving, I am not able to drive when I am supposed to cross that railway line, that railway track itself, I am not able to turn my vehicle in a very good manner. At the initial level, were we thinking of these kind of questions, or we were focusing on the coordination which is being required between gear, clutch, accelerator, and within the steering itself? Okay, so at the initial level we were thinking like this. शुरुआत में ऐसे ही तो सोचते हैं अपन, ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि यार मैं तो पता नहीं गाड़ी चलानी है मेरे को, तेज तेज चलानी है मेरे को. At the initial level we don't have that much knowledge, यार. Or while we are started a learning class, okay, a driving school, there are some gradual steps. They start with something, may it be coordination between brake and clutch, may it be coordination between clutch and accelerator, and within that instance too we flunk every time. We are not able to manage that coordination which is being required to be a very good driver. Okay, so it took us some time. It took us some time. So it is same thing with English. It is same problem you people are facing. You people are at initial level. That's what I am trying to say. At initial level, nobody is well versed to express each and everything what it is being going on in his mind in English itself. This is new language. And till now we are grabbing a little part of it. And till now we have learned each and everything in English, and sorry, in Hindi, and our CD compact disc which is there in our vein, it is fully engulfed with Hindi vocab, Hindi thoughts, Hindi belief. Each and everything is there in Hindi. So you can think of this: if CD is blank, it is easy to fill it with anything. When the CD is full, first of all we have to rewrite it or overwrite it, then we have to feed the data. Okay, so it is same concern with you. Right now the CD is already filled with the English data. First of all you have to rewrite it with English thought, and whenever there are English thoughts everywhere, then it would not take as much time what it is taking right now. But for that, you have to hold your patience. Even in the driving courses, they also last long for 21 days and 1 month. And after that, you have to practice a lot to be well versed in driving skill, maybe for 4 months, maybe for 5 months. And thereafter too, we had so many accidents, and we had so many problems within our car. Maybe that clutch plate will broke out, maybe there would be a problem with the gear pattern. So in that manner, this would be same thing with English. So Natasha ma'am, for you, it remains the same. Just follow the habits for a certain period of time and forget about next 2 to 3 months. Okay, forget next 2 to 3 months, and within those 2 to 3 months, only focus. I have to read, I have to speak, I have to listen, and and I have to watch. May it be TED talks, may it be any motivational, or may it be anything which is being associated with your field. Just forget on these 4 to 5 things for next 2 to 3 months, and thereafter you can assess whether you are able to reap the exact benefits what you are thinking for yourself, maybe what you are trying to deliver for yourself. So this is the same thing. So this is the same teaching, or what you can say, preaching for each and every candidate, not only for Natasha, but also for each and every candidate. Forget next 2 to 3 months and give it 100% within those next 2 to 3 months, and thereafter assess yourself. And if you are not able to attain that thing after that period, that's the time when you have to change your strategy. Okay, but till then, forget the follow the things which are being said by Ravindra sir itself. Okay, follow these things. Done.
Got it?
Yes, sir. I have, so
Got
sorry,
it?
sir, I interview. Sir, I have,
Natasha?
sir, I have more questions.
Yeah. You can ask, otherwise some person also left, and after that we have a time, that time you can ask. Okay, ma'am? Now we start.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, Jitendra Bagel. Jitendra.
Hello, good evening, Deepak sir. And
Hi. Good
sir,
evening.
whatever you share with us, it is really valuable information and very important while learning. We are learning the English. Sir, I am from the management sector, and I have a meeting with many subordinates, other like a firm experts, many marketing experts. So, sir, when I share my information, when I give the presentation about my product, I am really looking confident and I make satisfy them. But sir, when I get a chance to speak in front of business leader like director and the person who is IIM scholar and IBM professors, sir, I feel nervous in front of them, and means I feel shivering. And you are a psychologist also, sir. Give me means how I get that much confidence that I will satisfy them, and I may not feel nervous.
Yes, yes, Jitendra. Even I also got your concern. What you are speaking about, Jitendra. There is an hierarchy. Okay, where, like there are some alphabets which runs from A to Z. Okay, A to Z like in English alphabets, there are some alphabets which runs from A to Z. So think like this: when you have attained the position up to M, when up to 13, M is up to 13. Okay, so when you have attained your position up to M, and then you will compare yourself anything which is being at the level D, C, E, F. You would be feeling I'm confident. And when you are at M, and when you would be comparing yourself to either V, W, X, Y, P, Q, R, S, you would be feeling nervous. Okay, this is a psychological phenomenon. The personality whom we are confident enough, whom we are comfortable enough, we don't feel any kind of frustration, any kind of depression, any kind of sorrow, anxiety, grief. We do not feel any kind of such traits when we are facing them. But when it comes to personality with which we are not familiar enough, or we have already create a picture within your mind that they are senior to us, senior in the sense of profession, senior in the sense of designation, senior in the sense of communication skills. So already you have created an image, and when that particular circumstance will appear, you would be feeling yourself a little bit smaller as compared to other personalities. Okay, it is you itself who has created that circumstance for yourself. That's why in Hindi it has been said like this: मन के जीते जीत है, मन के हारे हार. आपका मन पता है पहले ही हार गया, पहले ही हार गया आपका मन. So for that, what you have to do is, do not say it to like, do not, never say it to yourself like this, that I am not able to face those circumstances. Believe me, there is cosmic energy traveling within this space, and we always attract a kind of thoughts with which are going on within our mind itself. That's why it has been said like this: positive thoughts are wings of success. Okay, so always have positive thoughts about your personality. Always say to yourself, yes, I can lead the situation. And if you are not able to lead the situation, you can assess it later on. What went wrong? May it be communication skills, may it be my body language, may it be my confidence, may it be my eye contact. You can assess it later on. But during that communication, during that conversation, give it your 100%. And yes, this is a psychological phenomena. When it comes to any senior or superior personality to us, we tend to lose our confidence. But for that, you can do only one thing: try to be imitate yourself in that position more and more, and try to communicate with those personalities, because this is the only option what you can follow. Okay, and you have another option also: you can escape from that situation, but escaping from the situation is never a solution to any of the problem.
Yes, sir.
If you want a solution for the problem, face it more and more, face it more and more, till the time you would get comfortable within it. So this is the thing, and till then, don't say it to yourself, I would be not feeling that much confident when I would be facing those seniors. Okay, I'll give it my best shot, I'll give it my best shot. And believe me, when Jitendra would be speaking, only Jitendra would let them know, either by your body language or by your communication, by your eye contact, that Jitendra is not feeling confident. Only you would let them know. Only they would not come to understand that Jitendra is either Jitendra have forgotten something or Jitendra is falling short of words. By your body language itself, you will let others know that you are not feeling confident. That's why I am saying it to you. Say it to yourself: I'll try my best. I will try my best, and forget about each and everything. And if I will be wrong somewhere, I'll assess it later on. Okay. So this is the thing, and I said it to you in Hindi also. मन नहीं हारना चाहिए, मन नहीं हारना चाहिए.
Yes,
मन
sir.
हार गया तो अपन पूरे हार गए. Okay, this is the thing for you, Jitendra. Give it your best shot, and
Yes, sir.
definitely you will come out with flying colors.
Then
Thanks.
go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Me, sir, definitely, sir. When the matter till with my subordinates, then sir, I win the heart with my speech. But whenever someone is more expert to you, and they are means they are very generous, and they have 100% potential, and they speaks very well. So then you have a means not a that much, you are not that much expert. Then you means generally feel nervous, sir. That's the reason, sir. But as you said exactly right, I think in myself, means practice makes a man perfect. Then I will try my
Exactly.
best, sir.
Very good, very good.
Okay, okay.
Take
Yeah,
care,
now,
Jitendra.
Emma, unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Emma,
Hello, sir.
yeah, Emma, you have any questions, you also can ask.
Yeah, sir. Yes, and actually, sir has already mentioned very great things, and he has already cleared my all doubts. I was listening very carefully, and I have just only one question: that when it comes to English, then I can speak. I know, and I know what weakness in me, and I know what should I do for that. Only need to do my starting, and that I can. But when it comes to speak in front of camera, that time I feel some nervousness. And many times Ravin sir also said, Hema, open your video and start with camera, but I don't. And today also he said, Hema, you have to. Then I tried, but I am also nervous. And so in that condition, what can I do? And how can I make myself perfect to in speaking in front of camera? And otherwise, I am very well. I can speak in front of people very well. But when it comes to speak in front of camera, that time I'm completely.
sir is saying to you, just switch on your videos, just switch on your video. Okay, it is very easy to turn off the video and deliver each and everything. Maybe you would be writing those things within your copy, or you would be dictating those things from the laptop screen or anything else. Okay, but for that thing, if you really want to build up your confidence, face it, face it more and more. This is the only option what you have. And when you have got to know that these are my weakness, believe me, it's high time to work over it. You itself have told us that it is so easy for you to switch on your camera and speak on each and everything, but when it comes to facing the camera and delivering what you're thinking about the topic, it is a troublesome situations for you. So for that, you know the option. Try to switch on your camera more and more and communicate with the personality whom you are talking to. Okay, this is the only option what you have, and for that you have to practice a lot, and you have to give it your best shot till the time you would not attain that thing. Okay, but for that, face it more and more. That's the only thing what you can do for yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
My pleasure.
Now, Sanjeev sir, unmute yourself, sir.
So good evening, sir.
Very good
It
evening,
was a
sir.
very wonderful session, and I would like to thank Deepak sir for this session. Due to low bandwidth, I couldn't turn on my video because I'm frequently getting logged out. So it was very informative. I don't have any queries, and I have joined the session 2 days back only. And it's very good to be in company of such people who are trying to learn something. So as far as possible, I will be part of this group and I will continue with it. And in case there are any queries, I will get back to you through the group or through your phone call. Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure, Sanjeev sir. It was nice blessings and greetings which you shower upon me.
Deepak sir,
Do take care of yourself. May God.
Deepak sir, you know, Sanjeev sir, he's working in BSF as an assistant officer. So, yeah.
Assistant commandant.
Yeah, assistant commander.
Very good, very good, very good. So nice of you, Sanjeev sir. And thank you so much on the behalf of Indian citizens that you are just encashing our borders itself. Thank you so much for being there so that we can live happily and prosperously.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Okay. Yeah, Sneha,
Thank you so much.
Sneha, you have
Thank you so
any
much.
questions? You also can ask. Sneha,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can ask.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sneha.
How are you, sir?
Sneha, I'm doing fantastic. How about you?
I'm also good, sir.
So
Sir,
nice.
I
Yes.
want to ask, sir. What the-
Yes, yes, yes. Sneha, you have muted yourself.
Okay,
I think
yeah,
he has
just
lost his connectivity.
yeah, I think some person. Suraj sir, unmute yourself and welcome Suraj sir. How are you? Suraj sir. I think he is also engaged. Yeah, Sambhu, unmute yourself. Sambhunath. Yeah, Sambhu, you can ask any question anytime.
Hello, sir.
Hey, Shambhu.
Hello, sir.
Hi, good evening. Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Shambhu.
It's my pleasure to talk with you, and I have lots of questions for you.
Yes, yes. Why not? Sure, you may proceed.
Sorry for me.
Ravindra sir, is it a kind of problem with you also?
No, sir, for you.
Sir, yes, sir. He is not audible.
Yeah. I think Sambhunath have a lots.
I have
I have a
little bit.
network problem.
Yes, sir.
Not
Okay,
at all.
Sambhu. Now your voice not clear. When you will get a proper network, that time means you will ask any question. Okay, Shambhu. Now you wait. You can wait. Yeah, Sanjay Sharma, unmute yourself. Sanjay Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good
Sanjay, you have
evening.
any questions? So please you can ask.
Good evening, Deepak sir.
Problem.
Good evening, Deepak sir.
Hey Sanjay, hi, good evening. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah,
Sir?
you can ask.
Yes.
Voice is not coming
Yes,
properly.
sir. My
Yes, sir,
question
his
is
voice
from
is-
English. The question is that
I think he also faced network problem.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Sanjay, you also have faced network problem. So
now am I audible?
Sanjay, stop.
Is it possible you can ask on chat box
Yes,
also?
sir. I think
I think-
now I'm audible.
No. Sanjay, you are not audible. You are not audible. There is a lag
Yeah, I think
over there.
all person have a complete one person. Yeah, Natasha, ma'am, you would like say something. So please you can ask.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Neetu ma'am, you can ask. After that, Natasha.
Sir, Deepak sir, during speaking, you were saying that you have to create environment to speak English. So, sir, how
Yes.
can we create environment to speak English? Because there are many people around us who doesn't speak English. According, if I would like to say, mad, and their neighbors, they don't want to speak English. If I started speaking English with them, so they feel not well, and they are saying that she's showing herself. So how will you face this problem, sir, that time?
Yes, Neetu ma'am, when it comes to environment which is being required
Yes.
for spoken English,
Yes,
you know, ma'am, whose dream is this? Whose dream is this to be good at English? I think it's Neetu ma'am's dream, okay?
Yes,
If I'm
sir.
not wrong, it's your dream, okay? So, ma'am, you are responsible for your happiness, you are responsible for your sorrow, you are responsible for your grief itself. You are 100% responsible for it. And when it comes to environment, ma'am, Ravindra sir is doing a lot. Believe me, there are so many platforms who are charging a lot of money just only for providing you couple of minutes to communicate in
Yeah.
English. And sir is providing you this very good platform at free of cost, okay? And you can communicate within the group also. And if not, I would like to know some of the another ways, okay? You can read some of the very good books, okay? You can read some of the very good books, may it be related to your studies, may it be life skill books, may it be motivational books. You can read a lot and you can watch a lot. There are so many English speeches channel and TED Talks channel are also there. Just try to grab more and more what they are trying to deliver you, okay? And within
Yeah.
2 to 3 months, what you have learned with those kind of, may it be reading, may it be listening, may it be writing, may it be speaking, grab more and more, okay? Right now, do not focus that I have to speak more and more. First of all, equip yourself with more and more sentences, more and more thoughts in English, more and more vocab, more and more proper grammar. And this thing you can only attain either by reading a lot or by listening a lot or by watching a lot. So try to utilize time more and more in these kind of activities. And when you are equipped with enough knowledge, enough thing to deliver, then you can focus more over speaking. And till then, do not worry about that much part of speaking itself. It hardly matters whether you are getting time or not, but if you are not getting that much environment, I'll let you know very good one more option for it. You know, in newspaper and the SIM card or the network company which you are using, we have some toll-free numbers, okay, in newspapers also, starting from 1800. And you know, some of the very good companies, they have a very good customer care over there. They talk to you in English, okay, and you would not be charged anything for that. And they would be the personality. They will not put off the call. They will not just skip your call. They will answer your each and every query, and that too for way long, may it be 10 to 15 minutes. So you have very good option. try those toll-free numbers and ask about to them and ask about each and every detail of their product, of their company, and build up your confidence with them also. This is also a very good option. So you have so many options, and for that you have to hold a very good vision, and till then equip yourself with more and more words, with reading, watching, and listening itself. This is the thing, Yituma.
Okay, sir. And
But
one question more, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
The first,
Continuous, continuous.
may I ask, sir, Ravindra sir?
Yeah, definitely. You can ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, because it is related to my daughter, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Deepak sir, she is 8 years old, and
Yes, ma'am.
she doesn't want to study, sir. She knows everything. Whenever I teach her, so she catch everything. But sir, when I sit with her, that time she will study. When I could not sit with her, she don't want to study. So what will I do, sir?
Ma'am, as what you are saying, this is again a common concern with nowadays infants, okay? And what you are saying specifically, it deals with elaborative case studies, okay? That's what we have in psychology, okay? And it is so easy for anything me to deliver over here in layman language, that you can do this might be wrong over there, or you might be doing this thing wrong over there. She might not have interest, or you might be following some wrong channels to deliver over there to study. So this would be a layman suggestions what I would be giving it to you. But for some concrete stuff with what you can configure out related to this problem, for this a case study should be conducted, for like within which all the aspects should be studies, the mode, the medium, the channels, what you are using, and what the most important thing, why the interest is not there. Why the interest is not there? Is it a kind of psychological problem with her, or there is a shift of interest? There is a shift of interest in another direction, okay? But for this, a case study is being conducted, and you can discuss this with me later on, and we'll have discussion regarding it. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
My pleasure. My
Got
pleasure.
it,
And
got it, Neetu ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Natasha ma'am.
Ravindra sir,
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Natasha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, sir. Sorry, sir. So
Yes,
that
yes,
time
yes.
in my side network problem.
Okay, no issue. Yeah.
No
So
Now
issues,
can
you
I
can
ask
ask.
no issues.
now?
Yes.
Sir, okay, sir, I have a lot of problem in reading. Whenever I start reading, I do reading, but I cannot read big word in English. So what should I do, sir, in English? And like I am reading a story, then I want to speak in my own word. Letter. I can't speak again. I start thinking I will not be able to speak on this story. After that, sir, I forgot all the story, but I didn't remember, sir.
Yes, if I'm not wrong,
Sir, I am
you are
unable
Sneha.
to. Sir, I am unable to misread a very big word in English. So, sir, what should I do? I am able to read, sir, very.
Able to recall small stuff right now, there is no problem. There is no problem. Why you are thinking that at this particular circumstance I have to read some good novels, good editorials of newspaper, good magazines? Why you are thinking of this thing? Everybody has started like this. Yeah, everybody has started like this. There is no problem
Sir,
over there. Do not think yourself that.
sir, I try
Yes.
always read any story but I am unable to speak on my word. I want to speak on my word, any story.
Hmm. So, Sneha, there might be two problems, okay? Either you would be falling short of the sentences which are being required to deliver that thing, or while reading that particular story, you are not able to attain the morale or the crux of that story. It means the encoding was not done within the process itself. That's why you are not able to decode that stuff. So you have to focus over it. Are you understanding? Are you able to read between the lines? So you have to focus within the encoding process. May it be related to, maybe the problem might be related to English, the words which are being given over there, you are not able to extract the meaning of those words. And within the paragraph, if there are 5 to 6 words are as such like that, with which you are not aware with the meaning, forget about whole paragraph. You would not be able to extract anything out of that whole paragraph. Okay, so just check yourself, just mark yourself, tick over these parameters, that whether I'm not able to extract the moral of the story or I'm falling off short of words. And this is the only thing you are able to attain after delivering more and more stories to other personalities. And that too will take some time. At initial level, don't worry, just start with the small stories. First of all, reading them and letting others know that this was the story and this was the moral which I extracted out of the story. And gradually you can pace yourself with the long stories or the stories which are equipped with good vocab. In this way you can proceed.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My
Yeah,
pleasure.
Natasha. Natasha, ma'am, you can ask.
Hello,
Yes,
hello,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, wait.
Hello.
Sir, Mahmood sir saying something.
After that, I will get chance to you. Okay. Yeah, Natasha. Yeah.
Sir, yeah. Sir, I have some problem like some person, sir, advise me that if you can speak yourself and throughout the day you speak. But and some person also. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are audible.
Audible.
Proceed.
Person also, sir. Some person also advise me that, sir, that if you speak in front of the mirror, it will be good for you. But when I start speaking in front of the mirror, sir, that time I don't feel comfortable. So I can't do. So how should I improve my English speaking, sir? Because on myself, like most other people suggest me that you should speak throughout the day.
Ma'am,
That is my
ma'am,
question.
yes, yes, ma'am. As what you have mentioned, you are not feeling comfortable in these kind of circumstances when you have to deliver yourself in front of the mirror. Okay, ma'am, things goes on like this. If you are facing a challenge for yourself, you would not be feeling comfortable within that. You know, challenges are never comfortable. Taking risk is never comfortable. Putting yourself out of comfortable zone is never comfortable. And this is the thing what you are facing right now. Being ahead, facing a camera, facing a mirror itself, ma'am, it needs a lot of courage. It needs a lot of trustworthiness. It needs a lot of patience. Okay, you are facing yourself and you can check it out how good you are delivering. And suppose think like this, that whether I have read a story, simple story. Okay, now I'm doing the same activity what you are suggesting right now, that now I am standing in front of mirror and now I have to narrate that whole story. I'm facing the mirror. Now I started delivering the thing, and what I concluded at the last, I was not able to deliver anything. And I have maintained eye contact with myself. This will give me an insight. Deepak, you are not able to attain anything. Believe me, you have not understood anything. You are not having those kind of words. You are not having those kind of sentences. So I might be getting insight. Just forget this activity. I'm not comfortable about it. This is not just holding my confidence. This is even deteriorating my confidence. My confidence has been shattered doing after doing this activity itself. So straight away I'll leave that. But believe me, this is the thing. All the big personalities whom we consider, may it be Virat Kohli, may it be Sachin, may it be Warren Buffett, may it be Elon Musk, whosoever it is, Bill Gates, at that time they took certain challenges. At that time they thought something out of the box itself. At that time they faced their real risk. They faced their real challenges. That's why they have emerged like this, whom we admire a lot. So for this, ma'am, face a lot. Face a lot. May it be mirror, may it be other personalities. What activities they have suggested to you is quite right. even I also suggest my fellow aspirants do the mirror activity, because that's the only thing which will give you your real assessment in which direction you are going. And think like this, at the extent when you are not feeling the comfort in that particular activity, that is the time you are facing the real challenge in moving ahead. Okay, so that would be a signal for you. Either it would be a red signal for you at that moment, or that would be a green signal for you. Yes, I'm going in the right direction. I have to face it more and more. So think like this and grow up like anything. That's the thing.
Got it, Lata sir?
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you both of you. And
Yes,
now,
yes, sir. I got
Mahmood, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mahmood, you would like ask something, so please you can ask any type.
Yes, sir. I have 4 around question.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
okay, sir. Yes. First question: how can I improve confidence for any people in front of speak any people?
Okay.
Second, sir, when I want to speak, so that I forget, sir.
Okay.
Third question, sir. I have lots of grammar knowledge, but I want to write any essay, so that's a problem. And
Okay.
four questions are many student have knowledge for speaking English, but sir, I have knowledge for speaking English. That's why I want to speak each other. So not confidence, talk each other. That's right.
Got it. Mahmood, you have asked the crux of this session itself. Yes, you are saying something?
Mahmood, yeah.
Yes. So Mahmood, your first question and fourth question, they are
same.
Overlapping each other. Okay, improving confidence. First one was also like this, and fourth one was also like this. And for this, Mahmood, I would let you know one thing. As what I have said earlier, you know that right now you are not able to do. You have both the options. Either you can forget about English. That yes, I am not able to speak. Just forget about English and continue either in Hindi or the local language what you are using over there. Or another option would be face it more and more, grow within it more and more, equip yourself more and more. That is the second option for you. But that will challenge you, that will challenge your integrity, that will challenge your values, your perception, your attitude, your aptitude, your